Red Sox and Yankees continuing their weekend series at the stadium, but this one got started late. A 2-hour, 4-minute rain delay due to torrential rain in the Bronx. But once things got going, CC Sabathia on the mound for the Yankees, and in the top of the first in trouble as Adrian Gonzalez. The RBI double that brings home Pedro Ciriaco, and the Red Sox up 1-0. Later in the frame, Will Middlebrooks, the 2-run double with 2 outs in a left center. That's going to bring home Dustin Pedroia and Gonzalez, and so it's 3-0 Boston. To the top of the fifth, now 3-1 with Gonzalez at the plate again.
And the pitch. Swinging a high fly ball. This is driven deep to right field. This has a chance. Ichiro back to the wall, leaping, and it's gone. It's out of here. That's a 3-run homer.
Makes it 6-1 Boston, courtesy of WEEI. John Lester starting for the Red Sox, and the Yankees trying to get back into it in the bottom half of the fifth with Jason Nix, the 2-run shot. His 4th of the year. That's the 3rd homer Nix has hit off Lester in 16 career at-bats. Only players with more career homers off Lester are Carlos Pena and Jose Bautista. But Lester would settle down in the bottom of the 6th, now 6-4, able to strike out Mark Teixeira. Then Robinson Cano swings and misses, and that is Lester's 1,000th career strikeout. He would give up 4 earned runs over 6. Top of the 8th, Yankees trying to get back into it with Vicente Padilla on the mound, and Padilla facing Curtis Granderson, and Granderson looking to tie it with one swing. It may go, but it's foul, and so Granderson just has a long strike, but the next pitch, he crushes it again. Will this tie it? No, it's a foul ball. Jabba Chamberlain can't believe it. You see how close it was. And then the pitch after that, Padilla strikes out Granderson on the fastball, 2 away. So the next batter, Teixeira, who does not get along with Padilla, once a teammate of his in Texas. And the 2-0 pitch from Padilla is the eephus pitch that Teixeira takes. But the next one, a fastball. And Teixeira's not going to miss that. The 2-run homer ties it. Teixeira's 20th of the year. He gets the last laugh, and the normally even-keeled Teixeira says, "Take that." To the top of the 9th, Red Sox trying to get the last word in as Rafael Soriano in the game, facing Pedro Ciriaco with the runner aboard.
The pitch is swung on, fly ball center field. Granderson started in, now backing up. He can't get it. It's over his head. He misplayed it badly. Ellsbury rounding third. Here he comes. He is in to score. Ciriaco all the way down to third, and the Red Sox lead it 7-6.
It's a triple for Ciriaco. WEEI with the call again. Red Sox go on to win 8-6. Ciriaco finishes 3 for 5 with 3 runs scored and an RBI. And the Red Sox with their 2nd win in 8 games this season against the Yankees.